Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel. You are highly welcome. Okay guys, so today is 26th Boxing Day 2021. Okay guys, yeah, let's get into today's video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share it, you know, all those wonderful stuff, sharing, commenting, subscribing, turn on your notification bell. Yeah guys, so let's get into this video. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for Christmas, my Christmas gift. Okay, and also I also want to say that December, where this year is about to end in a few days time. Okay guys, so I want to wish you all a happy, successful 2022, happy new year, because made this video, you guys might see this video either in 2022 or before 2022. I don't know yet. Okay guys, but today is 26th December 2021. Okay guys, so but you guys might see this video either before the year runs out or the beginning of January 2022, so one of those. Okay, yeah guys, and also, so I wish you all, before I start what I want to say, sometimes vlogging is not easy, my dear. It's not easy sometimes, to be quite honest. Guys, please, you guys should support my channel. I'm begging, I'm pleading. Please, you guys should share it to your community. If you're a content creator, share my video to your community page. If you're not a content creator, please share my videos to your friends, on your Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, if you can share it. Please guys, please share, watch, like, comment. I want my views to increase, guys. I want my subscriber count to increase. I was hoping to get to 4,000 subscribers 2021 if you are seeing this video in 2022, but you might see it in 2021, you might see it in 2022, but I couldn't get to 4,000 subscribers. Okay, but hopefully, I'm hoping 2022, hopefully I will get to 4,000 and above. Okay guys, please guys, watch my videos, share it with your friends and family. I really appreciate you all support. You can always suggest a video for me to do in the comment section. If I'm able to do it, I will do it. Okay guys, yeah, it's not easy creating content every day, posting every day. It's a lot of work, guys, you know, and then on top of it I have to look after my children, husband, home, and other things that I also have to do as well. Yeah guys, please watch my video, help my videos to get views, share them to your friends, family. If you're a content creator, please share my videos on your community page, on your WhatsApp, you know guys, all the good stuff. Yeah, I really appreciate you all my subscribers, all my unsubscribers. I appreciate you all. Please consider subscribing, you know, and help our channel to grow. Thank you so much, all my amazing members. I'm so tired, that's why my voice is it's not easy. Yeah guys, so today is like a day after Christmas. We call it Boxing Day in UK. Okay, there is a reason why they call it Boxing Day, but I cannot remember the reason behind it right now. Okay, yeah, but today is like sales as well. All the shops will be doing sales. So if you're in UK and you want to buy something you've been wanting to buy, Boxing Day is always a good day to buy it. Ooh, I've been talking for quite a while, 3 minutes. Wow. Yeah guys, so happy new year. In case you are seeing this video after December, or you see it in December, happy new year to you all. I pray that God grant you all your heart desires, your wishes, whatever you wish for in 2022. I pray in the mighty name of Jesus for it to come to pass. In the name of Jesus, for it to come to manifestation. In the name of Jesus, for in Jesus' mighty name I prayed. Amen. God bless you all for always watching my content. Please guys, don't forget to share my content. Get my channel to 4,000 subscribers plus. Get my videos views to start going up, Lord. Thank you guys. Now I've entered preaching and praying. Yeah guys, so let me show you guys what I got, and also before I show you guys what I got for Christmas. Okay, yeah, I'm not going to be posting every day of the week anymore. Once we enter 2022, I'm going to be posting 3 times a week, or maybe twice, between 2 to 3 times a week. I'll be posting. I won't be posting every day. anymore. It's so much work to post every day. Okay guys, yeah, so let me show you guys what I got for Christmas. Okay guys, so just wanted to show you guys what I got. The only way I could actually show you properly is to lay them on my bed. So I got these lovely pajamas. Most of the stuff I got is pajamas. I'm wearing one. I'll show you guys when I flip the camera over. I will show you guys the one I'm wearing. So this is a pajama dress, which I think is a dress one can wear like a lounge wear. I don't really think it's a pajama, but my daughter and my husband, they bought it for me from Shein. Everything is from Shein, okay? Everything is from Shein. Okay guys, so this is the one of the dress. Okay, this is a dress and this is a pajama set. So you guys can see it's a trouser. This is the trouser here. There's the trouser and the top. So that is the top over here. Okay, yeah, and then I got this lovely set which I really love. I'm already wearing this already. I even took a picture with it yesterday. I love it, and this is so nice for you to wash and scrub your face. So very nice, so very nice. Yeah, it's a brush, manual brush. It doesn't use battery. It's really pretty. This is soft and this is really good for your face. I tried it already and I like the hairband. Okay, yeah, and the one I'm wearing, this came with it. It's also a pajamas that came with the one I'm wearing. And then we also have this lovely earring set, which I'm already wearing one. Already I'm wearing one, as you guys can see, it's gone off. So everything is from Shein. Okay, so it's beautiful sets of, because they know that I like wearing earring. And then I also got a phone case for my phone. They are really pretty. This one glitters. I don't think you guys can see it properly on inside the wrap. Okay, but it's very pretty. It glitters. The other one is plain. The other one is plain, but this one is very nice. Maybe I'll show you guys if I can open it. I will show you guys. If not, okay, I'll open it. I'm still trying to open it. Oh dear, there it is. Can you guys see how it's glittering? Yeah, it's so beautiful. My favorite color is purple, so I tend to get gift in purples quite a lot sometimes. Yeah. So it's, can you guys see? I love that. Look at that. I just need to get a pop socket for it. And then the other one is plain, very solid and strong. Okay, so that's what my daughter and my husband got me for Christmas. So pajama, I'll show you guys the one I'm wearing now. Okay, guys, so that's me and my camera. So this is a piece, two-piece as well. So you guys can see it's a trouser. Okay, so I'm standing in front of my mirror so that you guys can see. You guys can see properly. Okay, so it's a two-piece set. Okay, so yeah, it's a trouser and the top. Okay guys, and then I have one of the earrings. I don't know if you guys can see the earring, a smaller earring. Okay, yeah, I have one of the earring on. Yeah, so that's the one that come. This one came with a blindfold. Remember the blindfold I showed you guys? Yeah, so this one came with a blindfold. Okay guys, that's what I will show you guys. Okay guys, so today I'm kind of relaxing, but I also have some laundry that I want to go and do. Yeah, just tidy up a little bit. I don't have so much I'm doing. In fact, there are things to do, but I just want to rest today because yesterday was too much work. So yeah, today is, as I say, it's a Boxing Day. If you have time to go shopping, every on the 26th of December in UK is Boxing Day, it's shopping day. All the prices of the item, they do sales. But anyway, I'm not doing that. I'm at home. I'm going to be washing some Netflix, but first of all I need to go and put some laundry to wash. Yeah, and then sort out my clothes in front of me. Okay guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe, get my channel to 4,000 plus. Well, actually in the 2022 I want to actually reach between 5,000 to 6,000 subscribers. So finger crossed, believing, I believe you guys will subscribe and get me to 6,000. That's my goal for 2022. Okay, and also more views. Okay guys, share my videos. Thank you so much. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Yeah guys, so I want to go and do my laundry, tidy up. Yeah, that's it. Nothing really much guys, just thought I would just show you guys what I'm doing on Boxing Day 26th December and show you guys what I got for Christmas. Okay guys, can you guys see our leftover table? I need to take all these things from here. All our Christmas, our beautiful Christmas tree is still here looking pretty. Can you guys see that? The star is a little bit heavy for it, so I need to move the star a bit. See, it's wobbled to one side, so I need to shift the star. I need to put it straight. There it is. Yeah, it's standing up right now. So our table is here. Oh, the yesterday merriment. Oh, that's one of the gifts I got for myself. Yeah, I got only this gift for myself for now, but I have mind of getting a proper gift for myself, which I don't know what is going to be yet. But anyway, I like saucepan, cooking pot, so I might end up getting another cooking pot for myself. So I got some leftover food here. I'm just going to tidy this place up. Okay, the floor everywhere is messed up. Yeah guys, what is tidying up? Shall I show you in the vlog? Do you want to be shown? Okay guys, so Precious is here tidying up her clothes. Yeah, so she's trying to sort out her new clothes and yeah, tidy her room. And then the clothes the pile here is the ones I'm throwing away for Gabriel. This one here is just wrong clothes in the wrong drawer. I just finished helping Gabriel to tidy properly so that the drawer can close very well. So she's there. Say hello to the vlog. Precious, just wave. Royal wave. That's a royal wave she's doing. Yeah guys, so that's what we are up to today. Okay guys, I know it's a bit dark here, but I'm going to be ending the video here. I finished. Look at my beautiful hair bow. I finished cleaning now guys, so please guys, thumbs up this video, watch my video, share it guys. Please get my channel to 6,000 subscribers. That's what I'm aiming for 2022. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Turn on the notification bell when you do subscribe, please, so you get notified when I post a new video. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Shout out to Sheila, shout out to A Slice of Sam, shout out to Stay Sweet Cuisine, shout out to a Niger mom in Australia, a Niger mom in Australia. Okay guys, check out their channel, a Niger mom in Australia. Check out her channel. She's a YouTuber based in Australia. Check out Stay Sweet Cuisine. She's a YouTuber based in UK. And A Slice of Sam, A Slice of Sam, it's also a YouTuber based in UK. So check out the channel. Shout out to Sheila. She's not a YouTuber yet, but shout out to her. She's an amazing supporter. She's an amazing supporter. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.